Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to schedule a DHL pickup whether you're a personal shipper or a business sending out multiple parcels. To begin, go to mydhl.express.dhl and select your country or region to ensure you're on the correct local site. Next, click on the Schedule a Pickup option, usually found under Ship or Shipping Tools. You'll be asked to either log into your DHL account or proceed as a guest. If you already have a waybill or shipping label, you can simply enter the waybill number to schedule the pickup. If not, you'll be guided to create a shipment first. Once your shipping details are set, you'll enter your pickup address, preferred date and time, and package details such as weight and dimensions. DHL offers both same-day and next-day pickups in many areas. Review all your info carefully before confirming the request. After scheduling, you'll receive a confirmation email or message with tracking info and pickup instructions. You can also reschedule or cancel the pickup from your DHL account if needed. And that would be all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.